cool cats and kittens. On this edition of Palmer in Your Pocket, we're going to offer you a sneak peek into the activities that will be taking place tomorrow, September 24th, during the Palmer's first ever virtual Art After Hours event from 6 to 8 p.m. Keep watching to learn more about our event and our themes of art, museums, and social justice.
Hey everybody, Tess here. I wanted to let you all know that tomorrow is our first ever virtual Art After Hours event, Art, Museums, and Social Justice. We are starting at 6 p.m. with a museum conversation on museums and the myth of neutrality, where you might see a few familiar faces. At 7 p.m. we are having a social justice sticker party. Using our favorite art supplies, we'll doodle to create stickers for social justice, like our friend Chelsea is doing in this example. All of your designs can be submitted to the Palmer, and we'll turn all of your drawings into an awesome sticker pack that gets sent to you. Use the Zoom link in the description below to join us, and we hope to see you there tomorrow.
For so many visual artists, art is more than something that is pretty to look at or is shocking to the senses. Subject, perspective, form, and color can all come together and tell a story and make an argument about the artist's reality. Art can make an argument about racism, sexism, homophobia, transphobia, income inequality, and so many other societal ills. And by sharing this argument with the public, artists are also giving the audience knowledge. What is done with that knowledge is in the audience's hands. It is important for museums to fill their spaces with art that makes strong arguments in order to start a discussion about these issues.
Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Like Uchenna was telling us, works of art make arguments, and museums do too. They make arguments and take positions, despite the long-held belief that they maintain a neutral stance in the face of politics, social issues, and current events. From staff diversity and board member representation to the framing of exhibitions and programming, museums make decisions that communicate what they value as institutions. Tune in tomorrow at 6 p.m. to join the conversation. I hope to see you on Zoom.